What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So before this video gets started, I just want to say my rugs are still for sale, or if any of you guys are interested in some custom work from me, let me know in the comments below or message me on Instagram at 95shoots. So just remember, I'm always looking back at the comments in my videos and replying to you guys, and this question was brought to us by, she goes by The Journey on YouTube. She said, "Hi there, can you please do a video, show us how you use the image transfer? Do you need a computer for it or something? Thanks." Now this may be super simple for some people, but this may be super difficult for others. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I do in order for you to transfer your images on your Monks cloth. So let's get started. Now this here is what I use to transfer my images to my Monks cloth. I have my projector, the cables, my laptop, and a tripod. Now you don't need a tripod. As long as you're able to adjust your projector, you should be fine. So with that being said, let's set that up and then we'll switch over to my desktop recording and I'll show you exactly what I do to throw up my design on my Monks cloth. And just like that, we're all set up. We have a projector on our tripod, our HDMI cable connected to our laptop, and now we're ready to project our image to our Monks cloth. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is switch over to my desktop and show you guys exactly what I do in order to properly throw up our design on our Monks cloth. Alright, so now that we're switched over to my desktop, let's go over to Google. Let's type in Wu-Tang, any design. We'll go to images, see the first design that we see, click on this one. We'll save this image, put it on our desktop. So this here would be for those people who don't have Photoshop. All you have to do is just simply open this image, and this is if you have a Mac computer. Go to Tools, flip horizontal, and that's it. Now I'm gonna use Photoshop, so let's head over to Photoshop. What we're gonna do is create a new file. I'm gonna create this a 1080 by 1920. Click create. I'm gonna go back to the Wu-Tang, select it all, copy, and then put it back on this 1920 by 1080, paste it. So as you can see here, this image is read from the left to the right, Wu-Tang, just how it's supposed to be read. And that's how you want your rug to be read. So in order to make sure it's read properly, what you have to do, and this is very important, is you have to flip the image. So what I mean by that is I go over here to images, go to image rotation, and I flip the canvas horizontal. So as you can see now, Wu-Tang is read as if you were reading it from the other side. So this is the way you want your image to be read from the Monks cloth. Because remember, when you're rug tufting this, you want it to be read from the other side, not from the back side. This is considered the back side of the rug. So now that we have our design up, let me go a little bit more in detail as far as what's going on. The main reason why I created that 1920 by 1080 layer and placed our design on top of it was because I wanted to create as much white around our design. So that way it's much more easier to be read. Now as far as our design, you see how it's being read from the right to the left? You don't want it to be read from the left to the right, because remember, when you're tufting it, you want to be read from the other side, not from this side. So as you can see here, it's on properly. And that was because we flipped it in Photoshop, and that's the way you want to do it. So this here is the right way to do it. So now that you have your design up properly, you're ready to start tracing and you're ready to start tufting. So with that being said, I hope this video was helpful. And if it was, let me know in the comments below. And if it wasn't, I guess let me know as well. If you guys want me to create more videos, also let me know in the comments below. I'm always reading your comments like I said before. So with that being said, I hope this video was helpful. I know it's very short, but some people don't know how to do this and other people do. But for those who don't, I hope this video was helpful. And if it was, let me know in the comments below. If you guys like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I think we're done. So peace.